How to get Facebook Marketplace back on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. You have to make sure that it is up to date. Once you have opened it, enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and log into your specific account. Now once you are in here, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and move into Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, head over to Settings. Once you are in here, scroll down and inside Preferences, you'll get to see the option where it says Navigation Bar. Head over to it. After that, click on Customize the bar at the very top. So right here you can see that the marketplace is hidden. In order to bring it back, all you want to do is tap on this little down icon right beside marketplace and then click on Pin. Once it has been pinned, you will be able to see that the marketplace is back. Now you can head over to the marketplace and then participate in the activity of buying and selling, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can bring back marketplace on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.